Hello guys, today I want to show you a quick trick with routing in Laravel, so you can add route parameters even if your route doesn't accept the parameters officially in the routes file. So you wouldn't have to create a separate route for specific cases. So for example, there's a register file from Laravel Breeze. It's a bit customized because I'm working on multi-tenancy course and this is part of it, so I have subdomain here. But the register route from Laravel Breeze doesn't have any parameters and doesn't accept any parameters. So if we go to routes web, there's routes auth from Laravel Breeze, and this is our route, register. But what if you want to have register the same route, but with some kind of parameter like token, and if that token exists, then registration would go slightly differently. This is exactly what I'm doing in my demo project for this course, for the upcoming course on multi-tenancy. So let's fill in the fields with fake filler Chrome extension. Let's create some dummy subdomain, I register, and then to invite a user, there's invitation system. For example, let's add whoever, and I'm using mail trap to get those emails. So I invite the user, and that invitation generates a link to the registration form with the token. So if I go to my mail trap, there's a new email here, invitation, accept invitation, and that link goes to /invitation/token, which in turn redirects to register. So there's user controller accept invitation, and there's token parameter, which checks the invitation, checks the security stuff, and if the user doesn't exist yet, then it redirects to route of register. But you are able to pass array of parameters, whatever parameters you want. It could be one parameter, it could be multiple parameters, so you just provide key and value. And what happens then? Let's log out from the current user and let's click that link from the accept invitation. The link itself is like this, and it redirects to register with the token here. And then in the register controller, again, the route doesn't accept any parameters here, but if there's any get parameters after the question mark, then we can get them with request helper, request token, or you can type hint the request here in the function. But generally you get request token and then you do whatever you need with that token. In my case, if the token exists and if it is correct, then the email is hard-coded and cannot be editable, and then there's no need to provide subdomain because the subdomain is saved within that invitation in the database. So that was the short tip. If you want to have a link to some route with route name, you can do it exactly like this. Route name with parameters specified as array. If you want more tips like this one, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to get that upcoming course on multi-tenancy, subscribe to my yearly membership of my courses at laraveldaily.teachable.com. You will get all the current courses and you will be the first to get the newest ones. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.